Hi, welcome back to the Northern Woodshop. For today's project, we'll be doing this very easy wine and cheese serving tray with enough room for 2 glasses in a bottle and your plate in the middle. We'll have fun doing it, and we'll go step by step. We'll have fun. So to complete this project, you'll need 7 to 8 pieces of wood, depending on the size of wood you take. There's no specific dimensions for this project. I mean, you go as big or as small as you prefer. So what I did, I'm using today leftover pine wood that's 3 3/4 inch wide by 3/4 inches thick. I've decided to make my base, the bottom of the tray, roughly 11.5 inches by 16 inches wide, long by 11.5 inches wide. The 3 pieces I used for the bottom already glued together. I did that last night, so it's ready to go. It's been sanded down. So we'll start assembling. So first things first, we'll just make a little room here. So you have your bottom here and one of the sides. Now, what I'll do is just put some glue just to put them together, and then we'll use a nail gun to put everything together. So just a little glue here, like this. Now, when you have wood like this that has, knots in them, I mean, it's always like this rustic look. So I've decided to keep those into the design of this this tray. So we'll just hold that together like this. Nail gun's ready to go. Okay. Okay, so now we've assembled the main part of the serving tray. So you have here, obviously the bottom, the sides are all glued and nailed together. So it creates a sort of box. Next step, this top piece where you'll insert your wine bottle and your 2 glasses. So what you need to do, you just take this one piece, draw a line straight down the middle, and a circle for the bottle. Now what you're going to have to do is just cut the piece in half, cut these 2 pieces out, and before we install them, we'll have to figure out the gap to keep between these 2 pieces so that the glass, when you insert the glass, it slides to the side, and then the bottle will stay right there. Okay, so we'll cut these right now, and we'll install this shortly. Okay, so as you can see, the line was cut right down the middle, and the circle part was also cut. So now I have 2 pieces. So the trick now is to install this on top of the tray and leave a gap in the middle here for your wine glass to slide to the side. Now you can either have the bottle on the right side or on the left side, depending on which way you want. It doesn't really matter. So the gap that I usually work with is about 3/4 inch gap in between. So what we're going to do now is install the first piece. So we'll put a bit of glue at each end, just like this. Very easy. Okay. Now don't put it all the way to the edge of the tray. Just start on the inside of this wood, because your bottle won't fit if you put it all the way down. So now there's glue. We'll just put a couple of nails in there. Good. Now as a guide, I have this piece of 3/4 inch wood. I'll just use that for the gap, and we'll put the other piece on this side. Again, we'll just add some glue. just put it snug against this other piece of wood. Okay. We'll add a couple of nails in there. Something here. There we go. And then you just remove this piece of wood. So you'll end up with something like this. Okay? So again, your bottle is on your glasses go into this hole, they slide over, and then your bottle will stay in the middle. Now comes the part where you decide what type of handles that you want to put on the tray. So I've decided to put these just these regular metal copper colored handles. Okay, so we'll install those right now, but usually at this stage in the project, you would decide if you want to stain it, leave it natural, paint it. Totally up to you. There really isn't any specific finishings for this project. But I'll just install the handles now just to show you. So these can be bought on Amazon or anywhere else they sell these types of handles. So I've already marked where my handles will go. Okay, so roughly, you know, they'll go in the middle of the side panel here. Okay, so I'll check out my drill here, and we'll be able to begin. I'm just going to pre-drill a small hole just to it'll be easier. Okay, here we go. Put it standing up, it'll be a lot easier. So make sure that your handle is facing downwards. You want to put that upside down because I've done that before. So here we go. And there we go. Your first handle is installed. Okay. Flip it over and we'll do the same thing for this side. So once you're done installing your handles, it's basically done at this point. So you take your wine glasses, just slide them over like this. Same thing for this one. Put your bottle in the middle, your plate of cheese and crackers, and there you have it. It's complete. I hope you had fun doing this project with me. Don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, stay safe.